to find the surface area of cones by MaskedMathsEZ. Here is a cone, and the dimensions are 4 centimeters as the length, 2 centimeters as the height, and 1 centimeter as the radius. And to find the surface area of the curved cone, the curved area, we must apply the equation of pi times radius times length. And to find out the whole surface area of the cone, we must add pi r squared. And remember, pi r squared is the circle area. Pi rl plus pi r squared gives us the surface area of the whole cone. Now we substitute, so pi times 1, and remember 1 is radius, times by 4, 4 being the length, plus pi times 1 squared, 1 is radius again. The height is just there to misguide you. If the length isn't stated, then you must find the length using Pythagoras, using the height. Okay, so coming back, if we add this all together, we get a total answer of 4 pi plus 1 pi, and that gives you 5 pi centimeters squared, not forgetting the squared unit. And that's all for today. See you in the next one.